Hello, guys. It's Thursday, October 15th. So let's go ahead and dive into our work for today. Firstly, you have your 37th daily journal. Another kind of fun question. See what you have to say about this. So imagine you're inventing and describing a new food. What would the food be like? Maybe you could take a combination of things that you already know about or invent some sort of food no one's ever heard of. But have fun with it. Imagining you're inventing a new food. What would it be like? Tell us about it. What would it look like, taste like, etc. And then you'll complete your ninth discussion board, which is right here. Very simple discussion. Here's what we're going to focus on today. We're going to continue to talk about what we've learned this term, and that's what our discussion will revolve around. So here's your 3 things to write. Number 1, write out 3 things you feel you've learned in Mr. Hart's class this 9 weeks. So you can take it in any direction you like. Maybe it's something you learned about English, something you learned about the world, something you learned about reading, something you learned about an author, anything you want to say, but something you feel you've learned in this class. Tell 3 things. Number 2, tell everybody what's your favorite thing we've read this 9 weeks. So you've already talked about this a lot in your own work, but share with others what is your favorite thing we've read and why. Thirdly, this is for me especially, but I'd like to see what you have to say to each other. Tell me some topics or things you'd like to read or learn about next 9 weeks. So it can be things related to English, like I want to know more about how to write a story. I want to know more about theme, or it could be more so just about the world, topics you'd like to read about. I'd like to learn about Brazil and read a book about, what it's like there or whatever. So those are your 3 things to post. On the flip side, step 2, in the red box, you'll simply choose 2 classmates' posts to respond to. Talk about, their ideas. You can respond and tell what you thought about their thoughts, things that they said they learned that you hadn't noticed, however you want to respond, but respond to 2 classmates' posts. That's all for today. Good luck. If you have a question, of course, email me or use the question board. Can't wait to see your discussion.